Next point is Surat. Surat is a port city. Port city means near the coastal area where ship load. In the Indian state of Gujarat, Surat is located in the state of Gujarat. It is situated on the left bank of the Tapti river. Surat is situated on the edge of the Tapti river, 14 miles from its mouth. Mouth means where river enters a lake. Surat was the Mughal Empire most important port city. Mughal Empire means at the time of Babur, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb, and is where the British gained their first foothold along the western coast of India. It means the Surat was also important at the time of the British authorities, British people. For centuries, Surat has been known as the center of trade and textiles. Trade and textiles means import and export system. So Surat was very famous at the time of British Empire for trade. Many European powers, including the Portuguese, wide of power over this port. Means this port city was famous the time of Portuguese. Portuguese means people belong to Italian. Between the 16th and 19th century, the British, French, Portuguese and Dutch established factories in Surat. French means people belonged to France, Portuguese belonged to Italy, and Dutch belonged to German, and the British belonged to United Kingdom means England. Established factory in Surat means English East India Company established by the British authority. The modern city of Surat was probably established in the 15th century. Means Surat was a very famous city at the time of British authority, and nowadays Surat is very famous and called the Manchester of the East. Surat is now the heart of India's thriving diamond polishing industry, and Surat is an industrial hub for the synthetic fibers and man-made fibers, and also very famous for textile industry. So Surat is called the Manchester of the West. We can say Surat during the medieval period flourished because its trading connections with foreign trade. Surat became a port city with wealth and prosperity. Because of its trade relation means import and export system with foreign countries, as well as for domestic manufacturers of cloth and other materials. Clear?